I got the sweetest letter in the mail today. Dear patient, it's time for your annual teeth cleaning. Give us a call to schedule your appointment. So thoughtful. But you know, before I call and schedule that appointment, I have a few questions about dental visits for my favorite DDS. Dr. Artie, welcome.
It's great to be back.
Be honest with me. How often do I really need to go to the dentist?
I would say that's specific to each patient. If a patient has great oral habits, a great diet, they take really good care of the teeth, they'll need to see a dentist less. And those of us who do not take good care of our teeth will have to see a dentist more often.
What if I'm like an excellent brusher, but I eat terribly?
You know, it really depends on how well you clean. You always want to make sure that your diet supports what your goal is.
So to put a time frame on it, should I be going to the dentist once a year, twice a year, once every 10 years?
Definitely you don't want to be disappearing for that long. I'll put it to you this way. When a patient comes into my office, I see their oral habits. If they're doing well, they usually tend to come every 6 months. I have patients that do extremely well and they come once a year. But we also have those patients that don't do so well in between appointments. And when you see them often, roughly every 3 or 4 months.
As an adult, is there any reason to visit the dentist other than teeth cleaning?
It's really good to see a dentist often. If there's something new that's happening, you can always be aware of it and catch it earlier. The earlier you catch a problem, the more money you save and the more comfort you have. I see you once. You see yourself every day. If you're taking good care of your teeth every day, you'll need to see me less.
So do kids have to go to the dentist more often than adults?
I would say kids should see a dentist more often, only because kids have a little bit less self-control than most of us. So they may not be brushing as often or correctly. They may never be flossing. Because of that, I would say they would need to see the dentist more often to be on the safer side.
Well, I think I need to go to the dentist more often.
We look forward to seeing you.
Thanks again for being here.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for having me again.
Thanks again to our awesome sponsor, the Benefit Bar. Learn more below, and remember, keep up with your oral hygiene.